Hey, this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. Today I've got another how-to PC video for you. In this one we're going to specifically talk about Windows Defender, which is included with your copy of Windows 10, and it's your free antivirus, ransomware, and a few other things, protection that's provided by Microsoft. Now you can see it's denoted by this little shield here, and it is called Windows Defender. And once you just left click on it, it'll open up this security center, and here it gives you a quick snapshot. These will change to exclamation marks, and I think even red X's when a more serious issue is found. We're going to specifically just talk about threat protection today, so we're going to go ahead and click on this. You can see here is an easy scan now button. This will automatically run periodically, and it will let you know if it hasn't been able to. Say your PC's been shut down for a while and it's not been able to, it will let you know with an exclamation mark that a scan does need to be ran, and it'll let you hit this button here to start it. Also, if you think there's something kind of funny happening with your PC, you can also come in here and have it do a quick scan on your PC. You can also have it do a more advanced scan, and we'll get into that one in a different video. If you look at this quick snapshot here, you can see that it says no actions are needed. So it hasn't found any viruses or any threats. It tells you when it was last updated, that they were just updated today, and also that no actions are needed as far as ransomware protection, that everything's good to go. So that's a quick snapshot of Windows Defender, and how it can be a nice built-in antivirus for your PC. This is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. We'll see you again in the next video.